Hi, so this is a video tutorial about what I use to lock up my e-bike using two FoldyLock compact locks, a kryptonite cable, and an alarm by WSD Cam, all of which I got on Amazon. So firstly, the FoldyLock lock is a really good lock. It's solid, doesn't rattle. If you mount it on your bike, it's not going to make a lot of noise. I didn't mount mine on a bike. I just put mine in the saddlebags. And I carry two of them. And when you buy them, you can buy them in a matched set so that they all use the same, they both use the same key, and you'll get 3 keys with each lock, so a total of 6 keys, just in case you're a person who loses keys. Unlock this one, and you'll see that it's about 34 inches, I believe, which wasn't long enough for what I needed for a fat tire e-bike. The bars are good and solid, the hinges are solid, and there are springs inside so that it doesn't rattle around. So the first thing that I like to do is make sure that the back wheel is locked to the frame. The back wheel has the motor in it, and can be very expensive if it's stolen. Very expensive to replace. So I just wrap this around the back wheel and the frame and lock it up. Okay? Second thing is to secure the frame to a bike rack or a post. And you never know what you're going to run into, what's going to be available. So that's why I'm using 2, and I'll show you another advantage to 2 a little later. So this is my makeshift post just for the demonstration. Lock the frame to the post. Good to go. Now the frame is locked to the post and the back wheel is locked to the frame, so nothing's going anywhere. The other thing that can sometimes be at risk is the front wheel. So I use this kryptonite cable to loop through the front wheel. Now I can take the other end of the cable, I can put it through the seat. I've done this many times, go to the grocery store, Walgreens, whatever. So now the front wheel is locked using the cable, the seat is locked, the frame is locked, the back tire is locked. But if that's not enough, I also have one of these mounted on the bike, this alarm, and I'm gonna, that's the remote, so I'm gonna arm it. Now the alarm is set. If someone comes and tries to mess with the bike, they'll get a warning. If they mess with it again, the alarm goes off. If you get into a situation where you just don't have enough length on your lock to lock up the bike because there's nothing around but maybe a big tree trunk, you can't get close enough to it. But what you can do if you need more lock, the 2 locks together. Now you've got a really long lock that you can get just around just about anything you need to. A big tree trunk, sometimes those big cement pillars that are outside of places like Home Depot and shopping centers where they don't have bike racks. So that's why I went with two. I can lock the back wheel to the frame to whatever I need to. The front wheel is secure and so is the seat. So I hope this helps you out. There's lots of choices out there of locks you can buy. And for me, the whole setup was probably about $200. And they say that it's a good guideline to spend about 10% of what the bike purchase price was on your locking stuff, your locking system. And so it's just about what we have here. So thanks for watching.
Hey guys, as our bikes were stolen twice already from our RV or the Jeep in California, we decided and they were locked by the way, but like nice lock that we bought, very thick, but it's still very easy to cut it. So someone just cut it, take the bike. So we found this nifty FoldyLock, which comes with this case that you can put in your bike, and you take it out and you just open it. Very, very sturdy. It's very strong steel that you cannot cut it with bolt cutters. Very easy to open, close. Again, you have this holder to put it on your bikes. We don't use it, and you can actually buy two of them. If you need it longer, you can buy two of them and just connect the two of them together. And it comes with 3 keys and even a duplication codes for the keys, which obviously you don't keep near your bikes. If you need to make more keys. It looks awesome, super sturdy, super strong, and folds really nicely. Not very heavy, but very, very strong. We're happy.
Okay, let's get some new bikes.
I've never seen a lot quite like that one.
Yeah.